Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best leather patches is probably one of the most versatile and convenient solutions for repairing and personalizing your belongings. These patches offer a quick and easy way to fix tears, cover blemishes, or add a touch of style to your favorite items. From clothing and furniture to bags and accessories, self-adhesive leather patches provide a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish, making them a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or anyone looking to extend the life of their items. Number 5. ONine Leather Repair Patch, Furniture, Couch, Car Seats. Introducing the ONine Leather Repair Patch, a large 12 by 48-inch solution. It's designed to quickly fix damage on bigger furniture pieces. This patch is wider, making it perfect for larger items. This repair kit is made from high-quality leather with classic textures and colors. The surface is smooth, waterproof, and wear-resistant, offering strong repair capabilities. It can fix scratches, tears, holes, burns, and cracks. The ONine Leather Repair Patch comes with glue and is super easy to apply. Just clean the area, cut the patch, peel off the backing, and stick it on. It's that simple to make your furniture look new again. This leather tape is versatile, perfect for sofas, recliners, car seats, and more. You can also use it on motorcycle seats, wallets, boots, jackets, belts, luggage, and vinyl leather furniture. It's a great all-around repair solution. We offer over 20 classic leather colors to choose from. Check the detailed page for color and texture matching. If you have any questions, contact us for complimentary color matching services. We are here to help you. What we like. This patch offers a generous 12 by 48-inch size, perfect for tackling larger furniture repairs. Its professional-grade leather and easy application make it a breeze to use. If you have a large sofa or a piece of furniture with extensive damage, this is the ideal choice. It provides the coverage and quality you need to restore your items. What people say. The adhesive on this tape is incredibly strong. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, without any signs of peeling or lifting. The color and texture match the original leather remarkably well, making the repaired areas virtually indistinguishable from the rest of the surface. The self-adhesive nature of the tape makes the repair process hassle-free and accessible to anyone, regardless of their DIY skills. Number 4. ONine Ink Black Leather Repair Patch. Introducing the ONine Leather Repair Patch. This patch offers a quick and easy solution for all your leather repair needs. It's perfect for fixing scratches, cracks, and other damages. The patch comes in a standard 8 by 11-inch size, ready to use or cut to your desired shape. Simply peel and stick, no tools or ironing are required. One person can easily apply it. Made with durable leather materials and professional adhesives, this patch is built to last. The surface has a clear texture and is soft to the touch. It's also waterproof and wear-resistant. This patch is ideal for repairing sofas, car seats, jackets, and more. It's suitable for various types of leather furniture and accessories. It's a versatile solution for all your leather repair needs. Choose from over 20 classic leather colors to match your items. If you have any color concerns, feel free to contact us. We will assist you as soon as possible. What we like. With its classic 8 by 11-inch size, this patch is ready to use or can be cut to your desired shape. Crafted from premium leather with a clear texture, it's durable and easy to clean. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix for smaller areas like car seats or jackets, it's the perfect solution. You can simply peel and stick, saving you time and effort. What people say. Perfect for repairing our dental chair headrests. Thick material with very strong adhesive. Color was pretty close. Great product. The patch is made of high-quality black leather that perfectly matches the original seat color, making the repair virtually seamless. The adhesive backing provided a strong and secure bond, ensuring that the patch stays in place even with regular use. I was impressed by how easy it was to apply, thanks to the clear instructions included. Worked great for tears on the bottom of sofa armrests from pups pushing paws under it. Can't even tell there was any damage unless inspecting very closely to see the edge of the patches. I used a bed buddy to apply heat to patch to bond adhesive well. Appears durable. Number 3. Leather repair tape for couch furniture. This leather repair tape is made of advanced PU and OPP compound, offering high wear resistance and good toughness. The material is also soft and waterproof, making it easy to clean. It's designed to last. The tape has a strong adhesive that sticks well to various surfaces. Before applying, make sure the surface is clean. You can also use a hairdryer or apply pressure to activate the glue and ensure it stays in place. The materials used are 100% environmentally friendly and non-toxic. This ensures a healthy and safe environment for you and your family. You can use it with confidence. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply cut the tape to the size you need with scissors and apply it to the damaged area. You can create various shapes to perfectly match the repair needed, refreshing your items in minutes. This repair tape is perfect for fixing tears and rips on leather, vinyl, and other fabrics. It can be used on couches, car seats, bags, jackets, and more. It gives a new life to your items. The package includes a leather repair patch in the size you choose. It's a simple and effective solution for your repair needs. If you're not satisfied, please contact us. Order now and give your furniture a new lease on life. We are here to help. What we like. This repair tape is made of advanced PU material, offering high wear resistance and good toughness. The strong adhesive ensures a long-lasting bond. If you need a durable and eco-friendly solution for your furniture, this is a great option. It's easy to apply and provides a reliable repair. What people say. Matched my leather chair. It was very easy to put on and repair the underarm of my chair. The seam came undone. It was super easy to apply and it stuck really well. This was a perfect color match and easy, low-cost solution for a tear in a leather sofa that proved to be an easy fix without having to reupholster the entire sofa or throw it out. Number 2. Leather Repair Patch 17 by 79 inch, waterproof and adhesive. Introducing the large leather repair patch, much wider than others. It's designed for easy application, making your repair tasks simpler than ever. This adhesive leather film is built to last. It's scratch-resistant and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about spills or everyday wear and tear. The soft touch of this leather tape makes it blend in perfectly. Simply apply it to any breaks or stains, and it will be hardly noticeable. You can easily cut it into any shape you need with scissors. This allows you to customize the patch to fit any repair, big or small. Give your furniture a new life while covering up any imperfections. With this patch, you can restore your favorite items without replacing them. The self-adhesive leather sticks strongly and doesn't fall off. It adheres quickly to various surfaces and can be removed without leaving any residue. Use it to renovate old furniture, tables, chairs, or even walls. It's also perfect for leather sofas, bags, and more. What we like. This large leather tape is easy to use, and much wider than most other patches. It's scratch-resistant and waterproof. If you're looking to cover up blemishes and save money on furniture repair, this is a great choice. It's a cost-effective way to revitalize your favorite pieces. What people say. The material is durable, looks nice, and sticks very well. The material is high quality, extremely sticky, and very user-friendly, which made the whole process so much easier. This material wipes clean even when my kids spill stuff on it. The edges haven't pulled up at all or collected hair like I was worried about, they stay flat and don't feel sticky. Maybe that was just the initial adhesive. I think I'm going to cover the bottom of the ottomans at some point as well. Number 1. NPBAG Leather Repair Patch Kit, Crazy Horse. Is your leather furniture, like sofas and car seats, looking a little worse for wear? Don't worry. This patch kit can perfectly repair the damage and save you money. This self-adhesive leather tape is easy to use. It takes just minutes to apply and make your item look new again. Made from 100% PU, this patch is soft, wear-resistant, and has a texture similar to real leather. It's also 50% thicker than other products. Choose from a variety of colors, including Crazy Horse, Napa, Lychee, and Lambskin. Find the perfect match for your item. The environmentally friendly and odorless glue is 30% stronger than others. It will perfectly fit on the surface of the item. Please note that the packaging may cause creases, but they will disappear after a few days. Check the details page for color and texture before you buy. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This kit provides a generous 25 by 50 inch patch, made from a thicker, more durable material. With a variety of colors to choose from, you can easily match your existing leather. If you need a robust and versatile solution for various leather items, it's the perfect choice. It's designed to withstand wear and tear while seamlessly blending with your furniture. What people say. Heavy-duty material, very sticky, adhesive and thick. Looks good and matches pretty well. Used a 10 length to cover up a rip in vinyl on a car seat. Cleaned the surface well with a solvent, then just stuck it on. Was surprised how well it bonded. It's got a perfect thickness and pattern. Looks like the repair will last a long time. Material was soft, easily applicable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.